So, an exciting part about the poetry books that we are going to be creating is we are going to be making our own personalized special poems, and we're going to be making a variety of poems. But we need to pick a topic, which is why you're going to see on our in our table of contents, page 4 is topic. So let's set this page up first. All right. You've already done definitions. I'm going to click this plus sign because that will give me page 4. What is at the top? What is my heading? Topic. And because I like to make them all look the same, I am going to, nope, I can't do that. All right. Plus text, topic. And because I like to make it look the same as my other ones, this was size 68. And Delius. And I actually think I'm going to bold that. Oh, isn't that nice? That looks nice. Okay. So a topic is like a main idea. It's what every poem is going to be about. So think about a topic. You could look around the classroom. What do you see that you could write a lot about? Or think about your house. Or think about outside. What is something that you really like? Or something that you are interested in or you know a lot about that you could write poems on? That is your topic. Now you know Mrs. Langle loves dogs. So that is going to be my topic, all right? So I'm going to add some pictures of dogs. Oh, look at how cute they are. Okay, I'm going to add this one. And you know what? Oh, look how cute he is. And then I'm going to try and find a few of Minnie and Maverick to add. That is my topic. You could, there are a ton of things that you could write about. If you need help coming up with a topic, come see me. Can you do that? All right. Bye. Have fun.